Well, guys, it happened again. This is the EarnStar website. It's another survey site. They burned me. I should have realized there was going to be a problem. Like, I did a $4 survey on their site a while ago, a couple weeks ago, for my first survey I ever completed other than the intro survey. And then they froze my account for 12 hours while they verified my account. And I'm like, what? And then they unlocked it. And then I started doing more stuff. I started playing a game. Started earning some points and rewards with the game, and then they locked my account again for 12 hours, and I contacted them, and then their customer service or member service said, well, we'll forward this to the team and get your account unlocked, which they did. But what I'm mainly talking about is this game right here, which if I go to games now, okay, I completed a goal in the game today, and then this is what happened. No games at the moment. My game's 0, which is bullshit because I had a game I was playing, and if we go over here to account, and we go down to games history, it's going to say no games again. Oh, no, it does. See, look, We Are Warriors, which is one of those idle games that takes forever to play, but I figured out a way to play it really well. And this is all the points I made from that game, and they screwed me over. And as you can see, I've made $20.15, and I'm supposed to be able to redeem it. But if I go here to claim reward, and I want to do PayPal, $20. I'm going to put my email in. This is the same email that's on my YouTube account, so for people to contact me. So you're not learning anything super special. I'm not worried about that getting out there. It's already out there. I hit select. I want to get my 20 bucks. You will have $15 USD left, or 15 cents USD after claiming this reward. I go to claim reward. Nothing happens. It starts giving me too many attempts. Try again later. So this is earnstar.com. You see it advertised on your phone a lot if you watch a lot of YouTube shorts. Don't sign up for earnstar.com. I looked it up online, and it has a lot of complaints against it. People saying this type of stuff happens to them. So yeah, EarnStar is a scam. They screwed me. I put in a good probably 10 hours into that game, getting it to the point where I could redeem my money. I wanted to make my 20 bucks. And the shitty part is I spent $10 on the game thinking I was going to make my money back, which I was set to do, and then some. I spent $9.99 on one of their little battle pass thingies, and started achieving my goals faster because I got a bunch of boosts and a bunch of coins and a bunch of other stuff in the game to make the game go faster. And luckily, Google Play refunded my purchase because this happened. I've contacted these guys 3 times in the last 12 hours and have yet to reply. And the first 2 times I had to contact them for the other things, they replied right away. So they know what they did. They blocked my account and they're just ignoring me. So yeah, don't go to earnstar.com. It's a total freaking scam. I'm going to try to start uploading Ebike content here again pretty soon. I'm starting to feel a little bit better. So this won't be my content's not just going to be me complaining about stuff like this. But that's all I have right now. So anyways, with that, remember, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thanks for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel, even though I really haven't uploaded anything in over a month. I appreciate all you guys hanging in there and watching my videos every so often. That really helps. Also, don't forget to check out my links in the description. They're still all active. For discounts on Ebike brands, Insta360 action cameras, Epic water filters, and there's a diagnostics camera tool company called Dipstick down in my description. Also, if you really want to help me out, I'm unemployed and disabled. I can't work. This is the only way I make money, is being scammed by people online when they don't pay out. So I also have a GoFundMe set up. If you could help me out, that would be really freaking awesome. And with that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike video or this kind of video or whatever comes up. Okay, bye.